Hi guys, this is Haven 14178 on deck 14. Key card entry in. This is a nice spacious room. It's the Penthouse Suite with a balcony. That's what it's called. So, I have the safe. This is a large enough safe, but it's not big enough to hold a laptop in. Just letting you know in advance. We got some towels there. Some storage. So it's push storage. And it locks. Push, lock. We got a full-size mirror right here. Hi! With a little bit more storage. I have this entire big giant walk-in closet. Now there is no door, so it is just this space here, but it's a nice size closet. More storage down here. A little sitting area. More storage. There are my Haven robes. Da, da, da. The Haven. And did not know this, a Haven umbrella. Fancy. Haven little slippers. And here is the bathroom. Now notice, this is actually a pretty big area. Just right next to the door. And these are the hooks, I think. Is that? Nah, it just, oh, okay. There we go. I'm wondering, how does this work out? So you push them down, and then you can hang whatever you want from them. There you go. Air condition. Not cold enough for me. There we go. It's hot in here, y'all. And this is my bathroom. Nice little toilet space. The sink is over there. Not exactly like touching my leg, just to see how my leg is. Nice cabinetry area. The glasses here. And the soaps. Let's see. I got body lotion and liquid soap. Shower cap. Shower poof. And then I have a little tub I can tub in. And then I got shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. It is a thing, y'all. Shampoo and conditioner. Then we got the moving shower head. And it looks like the button is up there. Yeah. So there's a button up there. I'm not in the tub to go ahead and play with it. The button's up there. Yeah, plenty of little racks for any additional stuff. You can hang your swimsuits in there, like on the wire. You have a handle, which is great. More storage. Trash bin is in here somewhere. So I want to say, yeah, that's your little trash bin. I have questions. Why you have a whole paper? Yeah. You can only imagine what has gone on for them to have a paper on the John. But we ain't going to talk about that. Another mirror. Hey. All right. So, into the fun room. So, this is the living space bedroom. Nice big bedroom, right? Notice there's no extra pole, aka safety pole in the center. None of that. Hair dryers underneath down there. Got this ottoman, the trash. You have two phones in here. So you have this one and you have this one. And on this phone, you have an entire playlist that you can just go ahead and push the button for. Yes, if you dial the Butler button, it does kick back with your own Butler. Because your Butler has a phone with them. So it goes straight to them. Interesting. All of this is storage, just nothing but storage. These drawers I kind of found annoying because they're the push lock. So if you don't like push it a certain way, you see it like don't want to open, but I gotta. Really? Yeah. TV. And then it comes with a opener. Wine glasses, small glasses. They already put the ice in here. Oh yeah, they care about my feelings. Already put ice in here. Give me some water. Got some nuts, gummy bears. Yes, they did what I asked. They knew I liked peanut M&Ms. Yay! Oh, an espresso machine. Look at all the fancy. Let's see. Regular espresso, I think. Woo! Let's see. Not sure which one. Not sure what they all mean, but we're gonna go with that. Different colors means different things. When the butler comes up, I'll start asking questions. Real coffee mate, y'all. And sugar. Remember, this is for small cup. This is for bigger cup. This is the small cup. This is the bigger cup. But what I found that works for me is I put one of these size cups under here. And I just move this little tray. So I have enough space to actually add creamer, sugar, and stuff like that, instead of it being all the way to the top. This helps a lot, and I can mix all I want. There, my bottle of wine, ready and waiting for me, because I'm gonna have a celebratory toast. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. Looks like a brut champagne. My butler will be in here shortly, and they will be taking my clothes out, and will be hanging my clothes up for me. You have to say yes, you're fine with them doing that, because not everybody likes their clothes touched, you know? So here is my balcony. If you just leave it like this, your air conditioner is going to shut off. You need to close it. That's the lock up there. We're still at port. Oh, this is nice. Very, very nice. 2 chairs. I get to see the port and anybody else. My friends are probably down there. Like, look. Let's go spying for a second, y'all. This is Samsung, so I can see all them folks. Look at them. That's them folks over there trying to book in. Yes, this is Samsung, the S Ultra 22. Yeah, it's a 22. Don't say Samsung didn't do right by this camera. All right, so here's my lounger chairs and my little additional, my little table. So with being in the Haven, I have the ability to ask my butler if they would go ahead and bring me food. They will put a white tablecloth down and bring me food anytime I want. I have access to the Haven restaurant. If you're not actually in the Haven, you can't actually eat at the Haven. I will be showing the Haven courtyard later on. Let's see here. So I got light switches for everything. Ooh, ooh, wow, look at that. So you got a reading light too. That's fancy. All right, cool, cool. I love that little undertone of the blue down there. More storage. And I think this is really, really nice. Very, very nice touch. I hope I can turn off all the rest of the lights and just see that at night. So far, I really like my room. It's nice. It's very, very spacious. Smells clean. And, you know, I can turn around and do what I want if I want, you know. I'm not shimmying sideways to get past the TV. This is nice. Regular full-size phone. It says The Haven on it. Stay tuned for the rest of the tour of The Haven, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.